Understanding, pushed out of mind. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, pushed out of mind. This phrase is a gem in the English language, offering rich insight into how we express the concept of forgetting or disregarding something intentionally. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. Stay with us to become more fluent and expressive in English. Pushed out of mind is a phrase that vividly captures the act of deliberately trying to forget or stop thinking about something. It's as if you're pushing a thought out of the space of your mind to make room for other thoughts or to avoid dealing with something uncomfortable or unwanted. This expression highlights a very human experience, the effort to control what occupies our mental landscape. Using pushed out of mind in a sentence can add depth to your communication, especially when talking about emotional experiences or difficult situations. Here are some key points on how to use it. Context. It's often used in situations where there's an emotional weight or a need to forget something distressing. Structure. You can use it as part of a larger sentence to describe actions, decisions, or states of being related to forgetting or ignoring. Examples. After the argument, she pushed the incident out of her mind and focused on her work. The trauma of the event was so great that he pushed it out of his mind, never speaking of it again. Let's see pushed out of mind in action with some detailed examples. Personal growth. In order to move forward with her life, she pushed the painful memories of her past out of her mind and looked to the future with hope. Professional setting. The failure of the last project was pushed out of mind by the team as they embarked on a new, promising venture. Emotional healing. He found that talking about his experiences helped him not to push them out of his mind, but to process and overcome them. Understanding and using phrases like pushed out of mind can significantly enhance your English communication, making it richer and more nuanced. This expression allows us to articulate complex emotional states and decisions about forgetting or disregarding certain thoughts or experiences. We hope this video helps you grasp its meaning and encourages you to incorporate it into your own English usage. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.